Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to teach you how you can disable or enable the frequently visited website feature on your Brave browser home screen. So let's get started. So guys, let's say you would like to access these frequently visited websites or disable the feature entirely. You can do that by customizing your home feed or your dashboard here on the Brave browser. This is how you can do it, guys. The first option would be to simply hover your mouse over that area here. You will see these three dots here. So click into it and simply select hide top sites. That's the first option. If you'd like to enable these frequently visited websites again to access them directly, you may simply click on customize in the bottom right corner of your home screen, head over to top sites here under customize dashboard and select whether you'd like to see your favorites or the frequently visited websites. Simply enable it or toggle it on here to the right, and that should restore them. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.